Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share it to you on how you can fix if Wi-Fi is not showing on your Windows. So if Wi-Fi is not available or not showing on your settings and on your Windows for like here in the taskbar, then how we can fix that. So let's go quick into the process. Go ahead in the Windows search bar and type services. So we are going to check if the WLAN autoconfig service has stopped running. So click on services under the best match. Scroll down to the W section. And here you'll find the WLAN autoconfig. Make a right click, select properties. Startup type, make sure this is automatic. If it has stopped running, then you need to click on start. Click on apply, click on OK. And you can also click on the restart button from here. Then close this window. Now for the next method is we also need to make sure that our network driver is updated. So go ahead in the Windows search bar and type device manager. Click on device manager under the best match. Now here in the device manager window, you need to locate the network adapters and then look for your network adapter. Make a right click, select update driver, browse my computer for drivers. Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Now here you need to choose one by one as to what will work for you. So just simply click on next. Now Windows has successfully updated your drivers, so you just need to restart your Windows once. Make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart. Now for the next method, if updating the driver doesn't help you fix the issue, go back to the same device manager window and then make a right click on your network adapter, select uninstall device and click on the uninstall button. And after that, you just need to restart your Windows. Make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart. And that will automatically reinstall the network driver into your Windows. And then that's it. Then for the next method, go ahead in the Windows search bar and type ncpa.cpl. Control panel item, simply click on that. Now locate your connection, Wi-Fi connection, make a right click and then select disable. And wait for some time. Then make a right click, select enable. And it will reconnect you to your connection. And just try to see if that bring back the Wi-Fi on your Windows. Then for the next method is click on the start button and then go to settings. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, you'll find network and internet. Scroll down and you'll find advanced network settings. Here you'll find network reset. So this will remove and reinstall all your network adapters and set other networking components back to the original settings. And before you can click on the reset now button, you need to back up your Wi-Fi password, because after you have click on the reset now, click on yes, your PC or your Windows will be restarted and you need to re-enter your connection password. So that's it. If any of the solutions helped in fixing the issue, kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.